So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Okay, Uber CEO exposes the truth. Want to listen to this?
Read this. I saw this. Yeah, so Uber's CEO almost said no to the job, then Spotify's CEO convinced him to take it. So when Uber first approached now CEO Dara Khosrowshahi about leading the company, he ignored the call. I didn't know that Uber approached him. I thought he was trying to take over Uber.
He worked at Spotify, I believe, before that? No, I don't remember. Or LinkedIn? I don't know, he was already like a exec, huh?
Uber should approach you to be the new CEO.
No, literally. Literally, though.
What were you going to say?
No, I think he wasn't a CEO somewhere else before. Like, he worked at, like, Dell or something. Or, like...
No, he was.
Yeah.
He was already rich.
When I first got the call, my first thought was, heck no. I thought, why would I ever do that? Then Uber was like, well, we pay you about $20-30 million a year. And then he was like, heck yes, I will take that job.
Yeah.
He's like, you know, Dara, like, we got a lot of drivers who work for pennies on the dollar, and you make a lot of that money from the drivers. Like, you can buy yourself a fancy new house, fancy new car. Probably gave him a Ferrari as a sign-on bonus. Ferrari's only, what, $200-300 grand? Probably gave him keys to a couple Ferraris, Lambos. Literally, yeah. Like, they could totally buy him a Ferrari and a Porsche, like... Because, think about it, he's making $20 million a year.
Yeah, he's probably got a crazy car collection.
He literally, it's probably so ironic that, like, the CEO is driving around in like a Lambo. While like the people he makes money off of are like struggling to pay rent, and he's just like, boom. Imagine driving. You see Uber. You're driving for Uber. You look over, and your CEO for Uber, while you're making like $5 an hour, he's driving around in like a Urus.
Oh my god. Do you think there are any like Uber black drivers that drive like a Urus or like...
Oh yeah.
You think so?
Maybe not a Urus, but like Escalades, yeah.
Oh, well, that's not the same.
You mean like a nice like hypercar, supercar?
Yeah, but like one that had like not like a sports car, obviously, because it needs enough seats, but like...
Yeah, Lambo Urus.
Yeah, like a Maserati.
I think Maserati, yeah, for sure. I actually know somebody who, you know Jacob Letman, he used to be on the channel, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So his girlfriend drives a Mercedes, and it qualified for Uber Black. So what she would do is, like, she had a normal job at home, and she would just keep her Uber Black thing on. So she would just wait. She would just like work at her normal job, and then she would get an Uber Black ride and go do the ride and then come back home. Because she would only get like a few per day.
Okay.
Oh, you froze. Are you there?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but it's your face is like frozen. But it's fine.
I know it's frozen for me too. Like just me. I don't know why.
Okay, well, like, we can hear you.
Okay.
That's
good.
All right, let's move on to the next one. Oh, wait, did we even talk about it? We just basically said he didn't want to do it at first, and then he got offered a lot of money, basically.
Yeah, because his friend is the CEO of Spotify, and that guy told him to like.
He's like,
take
bro,
the job.
if you're a CEO, you can drive a Lambo.
Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.